everybody. I found this book and I think that you might like it. My Chickens Lay Eggs by Crelin. See all the different colored eggs? What color eggs do you get? Sometimes people get white, and sometimes people get brown, and you know sometimes they're blue and green, and they're different sizes. It depends on the chicken. I did not know that. My name is Jenny, and I'm 4.5 years old, and I used to go with my mommy and get eggs at the grocery store, but not anymore. We now have our very own chickens, and they lay eggs. See? Different sizes, different colors. They're all good. In the springtime, we bought 3 little fluffy baby chicks at the feed store. One was white, one was yellow, and one was brown. I named the white chick Petunia, after my favorite white flower. Mommy named the other sisters Henry and Penny. In the beginning, the babies had to live inside to stay safe and warm. It's okay to hold and talk to baby chicks, but you have to be very gentle. While the chicks were growing up, we built them a beautiful chicken coop in the backyard. I helped. It was an exciting day when Petunia, Henry, and Penny moved outside of the house and moved inside of their beautiful new chicken coop. These are roosting bars, because chickens like to go high up. It makes them feel safe. And here are their nesting boxes. That's where they like to go and lay their eggs. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's really nice. They did a great job. And here we go. See? She's talking about the nesting boxes where the chickens like to go and lay their eggs. Petunia lays 1 egg almost every day for me. We have 3 nesting boxes. All the chickens like to have the middle one the best. Sometimes they even share. And they lay their eggs. Silly chickens. It's a beautiful, beautiful chicken coop. This is called the chicken run, and it's an area where the chickens can go outside, but they've got something around to keep them safe. The fence, we put wire on sides and the top. It has very small holes in it. It is strong and safe. Here is the food and the water for Petunia, Henry, and Penny. It is my job to feed them and make sure they have clean water every day. Sometimes we are in the yard and we let the chickens out. Petunia likes to help me with the garden. Isn't she funny? Look, see how she's helping? There's lots of things they can do at their house, right? It seems like they have chickens. They built them a beautiful home. Oh, this is the best. On Saturday morning, Daddy cooks special eggs for breakfast. We like to sit in the table and watch Petunia, Henny, and Penny while we eat. I always yell, "Thank you for the eggs." Mommy and Daddy smile. you enjoyed that story. I did. I learned a lot about Petunia, Henny, and Penny, and all the different eggs. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you get to go see the chickens at the farm. Have a good day, everybody.